Triton Corner Kit, the perfect space-saving solution for en-suites and smaller bathrooms with innovative design for either flat walls or corner installations. Elegant and curved brackets fit into the corner, providing more space while still giving great shower coverage. The new front-facing slider is designed to allow full horizontal rotation and vertical adjustment of the shower head. Store toiletries safely without sacrificing appeal thanks to the discreet and handy soap tray. Its design makes it able to fit into right and left-handed corners comfortably. Works perfectly with both electric and mixer showers. The shower kit is available in white and chrome, or chrome options.